Okay, this is kind of fiddly, but I'm going to try to make a video. So I broke my log tape. And I have one of these plastic ends things here with still has a nail on it. So you can either use a tape measure, because these usually come about 2 feet long. Yeah, that's why you wear a hard hat in the woods. Anyhow, but I save these things. These ends don't really go bad. So we make sure that we're good. So there's 1'4", 1'4". I mean, we're not going to be doing any machining with this tape, but so once you have it pretty close, where are you? There you are. Okay, stay put. You got a couple of groovy tools. This is Spencer products. I found this at a junk store, of all things. So we'll come up here. Get this nice clean end to start with. So we got a punch and a set. Something like that. Anyways. So we'll punch it. And I'll actually go ahead and punch it again just because I know the rivets don't like to go in. And these are itty bitsy little rivets. Okay. Once we have that in, you're supposed to set it on the thing there, and then, you know, it all just goes together, bro. It's kind of not how it works, but well, that didn't work. It's okay. It's because we're doing it backwards. That one's on there, but it's not tight. That's fine. It's not very fucking straight either. Now that we got one on, we let it go. Vice actually comes in pretty handy for this project. Just fucking throw them down. See if we can get it to actually sit on there. Oh shit, we're broke. Okay, and I'll do one more in the middle. You're only supposed to do 2, but braces and boots, right? I'll come at it from the other side just to be special needs, I guess. Or not. Sometimes it doesn't let you. Sometimes it says you need to make the hole bigger. Pretty cool, huh? Squish. Squish. And then we'll take the handy dandy shears. This regular old scissors works fine. Just, you know, come right out of the wife's cupboard. Whoop. Just about screwed that one up. Okay. And when they're at factory, they come with a little piece of shrink wrap that pretty much immediately gets peeled off. So I always tape the end. Anyways, just because there's a little like nylon, PVC, whatever it is, bally thing that stops your tape. I like to hang about 6 inches or so out. Makes it easier to grab onto when it's behind your back. But the main thing is the tape is keeping the ends from coming up on you and getting hung up on something. You don't need it. The rivets alone will hold it pretty good. But it's there just in case. Oh, I'm cramping up. Okay, and then you got your blue side, you got your silver side. Blue side, your spring side. It doesn't feel right. So you loosen them off. Just a half turn or two. The screws aren't very long. Some of these are fucked up. Doesn't take very much. Then you can spin it. So the tape pulls that way, you spin it the opposite direction as your tape pulls. Pretty cool, huh? And that should be pretty close. So I'll walk one down and then run the whole thing out. A 75-foot tape, so. We're going to go all the way to the end, so we want a couple more turns. Let's do one more just for shits and giggles. Oof. Ooh, we're at 71. So what we'll do is we'll back that off a turn. Yeah, half turn's fine on that. It's actually a gear ratio. That's how these things work. Annoying. So the spring is actually not very long considering it's a 75-foot tape. anyhow, sure none of this is in focus, but sure to go back and tighten everything up. Now you're working log tape. So that pile is 3 trees. There's a couple of shorties in there, but or not shorties, but little pecker poles. Technically, it's 5 trees, but I wouldn't count 2 of them. Like I think they only made a 20-foot log in each one. So, but the others getting 5 or 6 20s, and the 7'6" guy, he slabbed up pretty good. They're still got 3 or 4 chunks out of it. They'll still pay pretty good. Yeah, so tomorrow I get to try to get the log truck back here. And get these out of here. I'm not crouching. some good sticks. Anyhow. Oh. Yeah, y'all have a good day. Actually, shit, I got more logs back there to haul too. But not really anywhere to put them. I need to get this pile knocked down so I can control that side over there. See where I'm pointing? There's a new power box put in. That was the weekend's project, so I don't really want to crush that. So yeah, y'all have a good day.